Hello students. So today we are going to discuss Rolle's theorem. So which is very important theorem in calculus. So what is Rolle's theorem? Statement of Rolle's theorem is if we have a function, a real function whose domain is the closed interval a comma b. The function is defined from a comma b to r, and this is the domain of the function. Be a function which is continuous in the closed interval a comma b. That means in the domain the function is continuous and which is differentiable in the open interval a comma b. Open interval means excluding the points a and b. The function is differentiable. And the third condition is the functional value at the end points a and b are equal. Then according to Rolle's theorem, there exists a point C in the open interval a comma b such that f dash of c equal to 0. So this is the statement of Rolle's theorem. So Rolle's theorem satisfies these three conditions. Now what is the geometrical meaning of Rolle's theorem, which is very important to understand the geometrical meaning. So let me consider a function. Suppose यहाँ पे मैंने एक function ले लिया. So suppose this is the graph of the function. So we can see the function is continuous. So let me consider an interval a and b. So let me take 2 points on the x-axis, and this is the interval we are considering. And within this interval, the function is continuous. Continuous means the graph of the function is continuous. Second condition, the function is differentiable. Whether this function is differentiable or not in the interval a comma b. So differentiable means there is no sharp edge of the graph of the function. So in this graph there is no sharp edge. That means the function is differentiable also. The graph of the function is smooth. That means the function is continuous. Second condition also satisfies. The function is differentiable. Now f of a equal to f of b. That means at the point a, the functional value is equal to the functional value at the point b. So these two values are equal. Then according to Rolle's theorem, there exists a point C in the open interval a comma b. C कहाँ पे लेना है? C in between a and b. So there must exist a point C. Suppose this is the point C, and if we draw tangent at this point, we can draw a tangent at this point, and that tangent will be parallel to x-axis. This is the meaning of this line. There exists a point C in between a and b such that f dash of c equal to 0. F dash of c means the tangent at the point C is equal to 0, means the tangent at the point C is parallel to x-axis. So this is the geometrical meaning of Rolle's theorem. This is very important theorem in calculus. Already I had mentioned. Now in higher secondary level, what type of question may arise in board examinations? So question may comes in this way: verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx equal to x square plus 2x minus a in the where domain is -4, 2. So यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या करना है? Rolle's theorem verify करना है. So what are the conditions of Rolle's theorem? So these are three conditions. So ये तीनों conditions satisfy करना होगा ये function के लिए. First of all, the function is polynomial function x square plus 2x minus 8. This is a polynomial function, and every polynomial function is continuous as well as differentiable in the given interval. So first condition, f is continuous in closed interval -4, 2, and second condition, f is differentiable in open interval -4, 2. So these two conditions satisfies that by the given function, since the function is a polynomial function. Now what is a? A equal to -4, b equal to 2. So let me calculate f of a. So f of a is equal to f of -4. So what will be the value f of -4? It is -4 whole square plus 2 into -4 minus 8. So this gives this will give 16 minus 8 minus 8. So this will give 0. Similarly, f of b f of b is also equal to f of 2, this value also equal to 0 if we put x equal to 2 in the given function. Now f of a equal to f of b, the third condition also satisfies by the given function. Now we have to verify Rolle's theorem in the given function. So how to verify Rolle's theorem? So therefore, by Rolle's theorem, or we can write according to Rolle's theorem, there exists a point C in the open interval -4, 2 such that f dash of C is equal to 0. We have to verify Rolle's theorem means we have to find the point C in the open interval -4, 2 such that f dash of C equal to 0. So C का वैल्यू हम लोगों को कैलकुलेट करना है, निकालना है. C कहाँ पे रहेगा? In between -4 and 2 such that f dash of C equal to 0. So let me try to find out first f dash of x. So f dash of x will be 2x plus 2. Just differentiate the given function. Then f dash of C is equal to 0, which gives, what is f dash of C? 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. Now calculating C will be equal to -1. Now this value -1, C equal to -1, whether this value belongs to this interval or not. This belongs to this interval because -1 is belongs to in between -4 and 2. So that means we have obtained a value C such that f dash of C equal to 0. So using this concept we can verify. So hence we have verified Rolle's theorem in the given function in the given interval. So I think all you have understood. First of all, what is Rolle's theorem? Second concept is what is the geometrical meaning, and thirdly we have I have solved a question which is very important for this type of question, are very important for board examinations. So hope all you have understood the concept. Thank you.